Gene pool. On your way to life, you get to choose which genes do you want. But there's certain genes that are linked to other genes. You get smart and creative, but without any business sense, and a strong tendency to flatulence. Right. Here's a good one. Luxurious hair, a pretty good IQ, nice body, but a terrible taste in clothes. But hey, once you get your clothes off, you'll be in. Hey, this is me. You forgot that short-sighted too. Oh, this is a really good one. Capacity to create wealth comes with dorky appearance, quick ejaculations, but it's got a magnanimous nature with a slight prejudice against women with small breasts. That certainly reminds me of someone. Oh, this one's very popular. Happy mom, great nurturer, very sensitive, very caring, and fat. That's a pretty popular one. But if you want thin, it comes here with anorexia, small bladder, you'll have to pee a lot, and directionally dyslexic. You won't ever know your right from left. But you'll get thin by the time you finally get to where you're going. You get strong and handsome, but small dick. Now, height. Here we've got tall, very perceptive, slightly cross-eyed, and you cheat at cards. Oh, this one is very popular. Very selfish, ambitious, and successful in the world. The only downside is you never feel happy or fulfilled, but you're going to have great stuff. And be careful. If you eat peanuts, they'll kill you. Now, great looking baby. You get way more cute genes than normal. As a teen, you get acne, pretty bad. But you recover as an adult and it comes with an IQ of 83. But you'll get by, and once that ugly period is over, you'll look great. Oh, wait a minute. In your 40s, you would probably get hemorrhoids. Unless you don't eat any chocolate. Can you remember that? Oh, here we go. Great shopper, huge sweet tooth, which would get you obese, but you'll always be cheerful. Everyone will love you, even though you'll stutter. That's it for the gene pool.